Dreaming of a high-paying career? SAP MM training can make it happen. Are you a recent graduate looking to kickstart your career? No experience? No problem. SAP MM training is designed for beginners. Learn the skills that top companies are looking for. Start your journey today. Thinking of switching careers? SAP MM is your golden ticket. From boring to rewarding, make the switch. With SAP MM skills, you can move into high-demand roles in procurement, inventory management, and more. Your new career starts here. Already working but want to upskill? SAP MM training is the easiest way to grow. Upskill in 30 days and unlock new opportunities. Learn SAP MM at your own pace and watch your career soar. Your future is just a course away. Why SAP MM? High salary, global opportunities, and job security. SAP MM professionals are in high demand. Whether you're a graduate, career switcher, or upskilling professional, SAP MM training is your path to success. Learn, earn, and grow with SAP MM. Ready to take the first step? Enroll in our SAP MM training today. It's easy, accessible, and designed for everyone.